Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. This is Aisha Firdaus and you're watching Teachers World. Here is a good news to all the educators. I'm coming up with a series on learning disabilities. Every week I shall be posting videos on one learning disabilities, the symptoms, the identification, observation and intervention strategies, and how you can customize the learning to suit the learner. So it's like, you can spare out some time to explore this particular area because it definitely adds to your teaching. It's not only about teaching to one and all, it's about reaching as per the needs of the child. So this video shall cover about dyslexia. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's explore further. Let's not tag students as slow learners or careless or lazy, but make an effort to understand how they learn differently and cater to the needs the way they learn. So let's get started. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand what learning disabilities are, why teachers must know about them, overview of major types, one special need in detail, that is dyslexia, classroom strategies you can use immediately, how to make every child feel valued and special. Learning disabilities are neurological differences in the way the brain receives, processes, stores, or retrieves information. They affect reading, writing, spelling, math, comprehension, organization, attention, and most importantly, they do not affect intelligence. Children with learning disabilities are often extremely creative, intuitive, and talented. Let's explore the type of learning disabilities. In the full series, we will cover dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, ADHD, OSD, auditory processing disorder, visual processing disorder, non-verbal learning disability. Each episode shall include symptoms, how teachers can identify, how teachers can intervene, what do we do in class, real life examples, and parent support tips. Let's get started with dyslexia. What is dyslexia? A learning difference that affects reading accuracy, spelling, phonological processing, fluency. Children can understand everything orally but struggle with printed text. Let's explore the symptoms. Slow, effortful reading, reversing letters, difficulty decoding new words, poor spelling, confusion with similar looking words, avoids reading loud, reads one line repeatedly, excellent oral answers but poor written output. Ishaan Awasthi is the best example. He could paint beautifully, imagine creatively, but struggled with letters dancing on the page. Let's see some famous dyslexic achievers. To break the stigma, remind teachers and parents that many icons were dyslexic. Albert Einstein, Tom Cruise, Richard Branson, Agatha Christie, Walt Disney, Leonardo da Vinci. Their dyslexia did not stop them, it shaped their creativity. How teachers can support a child with dyslexia? Here are practical classroom-ready strategies. Number 1. Use multi-sensory teaching. Example, write in sand, use clay letters, tap out syllables. Provide text with bigger fonts and spaced letters. Teach phonics explicitly. Allow extra time for reading and writing. Do not force the child to read aloud in class. Accept answers orally. Use audio versions. Let the child listen instead of struggling through text. Break tasks into simple steps. Encourage peer support. Now, as educators, you need to learn how to make every child feel special. Even while supporting their difficulties, we must celebrate their gifts. Give them responsibilities they can succeed in. Praise effort, not performance. Display their strengths, art, sports, creativity. Use I believe in you moments. Create a your superpower board. Never compare them with other children. Allow them to shine in areas they are confident in. Remember, children bloom when they feel seen, valued, and safe. In this series, we will explore every learning disability with compassion, clarity, and real classroom strategies so we can be the teachers our children truly deserve. If Ishaan Awasthi had not met an understanding teacher like Nikum sir, his story would have been different. Let's be that understanding teacher. Let's help every child shine. Are you ready to be like Nikum sir? Jazakallahu khair.